How to play the party quiz on Schogini Toys DIY kit, menu L108. Hey, future quiz champions! Today, we're diving into the ultimate fun zone with menu L108's party quiz. Getting started, first things first, make sure you're at menu L108. If you're not sure how to navigate there, check out our How to Navigate the Menu video. It's your roadmap to fun. Let the games begin. Ready to get quizzical? Press down on the joystick like you're clicking a button, and voila, your quiz adventure begins. Quick tip: wait for the scrolling help line to complete. If you're too excited to wait, no worries. Move the joystick to the left to skip the intro and jump right into the quiz. How to play? Think the quiz question is correct? Move the joystick up. Think it's wrong? Slide it down. Taking a break, need a breather? To exit the quiz, simply move the joystick to the left, and you are out. Guess what? This quiz saves your high scores. Challenge yourself or your friends and see who becomes the ultimate quiz champion. Happy quizzing, and may the knowledge be ever in your favor. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.